This day is 9 years in the making, and it's kind of all my fault.
We never met until my friend, Pragati, made me sign up for a medical mission trip. We were flying out of Houston to go on this trip, so they paired people who were from Houston and had a house where people could sleep over, and people who had cars who were in Austin, so that people could carpool.
We looked up all of the boys on Facebook, and Sinthu determined that Mason was the best, meaning most handsome candidate to drive her and Beth to Katie.
We hung out on that trip, we came back, studied together a lot, spent a lot of time together on campus, just kind of went from there.
Even from the first few weeks that we had met, it was someone who I immediately got along with and felt compatible with in pretty much every way.
Mason is a really unique person. He's the most loyal person I've ever met, and always has been. He's incredibly caring and empathetic. If you've ever seen them together, you know that they're perfect together. Just like Mason, Sinthu is independent, driven, and has a no BS personality.
A love that started in Austin, continued through Sinthu's semester in Sri Lanka, Mason's move to Houston, Sinthu's move to Atlanta, her subsequent move to El Paso, an engagement and a pandemic. And in true doctor fashion, we'll find out in a couple weeks what the next move looks like. You feeling good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
How about you, buddy?
Yeah? How do I look?
Good. Look at this.
Yeah?
So pretty.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do the thing.
Our daughter has been a source of joy and pride for us. As parents, we have watched her grow from a sweet and curious child to a confident and accomplished young woman.
We've always pushed each other to grow into better people, better physicians or learners. I want to keep doing that.
I promise to fill our hearts with love, peace, happiness, and to be best friends and eternal partners.
We are excited to see how they will blend their Sri Lankan and Texan roots to create a life that is uniquely their own.